Hey yo, it's Papa Extra, hit the road, let's go! Backpack packed, we're ready for the show. From mountain trails to the riverside streams, fishing poles, ready chasing big dreams.
Then once ready.
Iba, naka-assign naman po sa drinks. Ang ibibigay po sa mga bata ay sito po. Yung water.
Saka yung tinatawag na clubhouse sandwich. Alam niyo po ba yun? Mayaman si kuya siguro, no? Clubhouse. Sa loob ng sandwich, merong upuan. Okay po, yun po ay may lettuce, ham, egg, and mayonnaise. Excited po ba? So, pagdating po ng presidente ng SLP, kakain po muna tayo, ha? Para may lakas kayo at ready na mag-accept ng school supplies. May mga uniform na kayo?
Ito, bigyan ko na ng mic. Okay, practice muna tayo guys. Okay? Hep, hep!
Hooray!
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 Pag sinabi kong hep, hep, sabi mo hooray. Pag sinabi kong hooray, sabi mo hep, hep. One, two, hep, hep!
Hooray!
Hooray! Okay, practice muna. Okay. Pag sinabi kong hep, hep!
Hooray!
Hooray! Good. Hep, hep!
Hooray!
Hooray! Okay. Hep, hep! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hooray! Malalo na to. Okay na to. Okay na to. Okay? Okay. Hep, hep! Hooray! Hep, hep! Pwede din si ate, oh. Hep, hep! Hooray! Okay. Okay na kayo, ha? Ito, ready na to, ha? Ano na to, may elevator matatanggal, ha? Okay. Ready na kayo? Ready ka na? Ay, hindi ka pa ready. Sige, antayin na lang natin sa maging ready. Okay. One. Hep, hep!
Hooray!
Hooray! Hep, hep! Hep, hep!
Hooray!
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray! Okay. Palakpak naman mga kids. Yan. Sino nag-i-enjoy dito? Oo, halata nga. Okay, game. Hooray! Wala na. Wala tanggal ka na. Okay. Ito. Tulad na nakalagay ito. Totoo na. Hep, hep!
Hooray!
Hooray! Hep, hep!
Hooray!
Hep, hep!
Hooray!
Hep, hep!
Hooray!
Hep, hep!
Hooray!
Hep, hep!
Hooray!
Hooray!
Hep, hep!
Hep, hep!
Hooray!
Hep, hep!
Hooray!
Hooray! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Butang-butin da. Okay, thank you, ate. Ito po, may panganong ate. Ano pangalan?
Ito po. Mama,
Pambanana, okay? Okay, hooray! Hooray! Thank you, baby! na lang po. Ay, hindi tayo ha. Ate. Okay. Hep, hep! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Hooray!
Ayo ah.
Hep, hep! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hooray! Ito talaga. Ay, ready ka, ready. Hep, hep! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hooray! Sinong nanay nitong mga to? Na-train eh, na-train. Okay? Hep, hep! Hooray! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Pili mo na madaming ano yan, ha? Cheesecake, ha? Huwag mo ipapatago kay mami. Game! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hep, hep! Ano ba sabihin mo dito?
Subukan mo. Dapat.
Okay. Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Hooray! 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 Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hooray! O sige na, uwi na kami kalabahan na. Okay, dahil magkakaroon kayong dalawa, maghati na lang kayo dito, ha? So, tama lang pala. Tag 100 pesos kayong dalawa. Congrats! Thank you! Sige. 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 Ano mga nagpapakit sa kanila? Ay, hindi. Mamagal ba to? Okay. Okay, game na to. Game na. Game. Sir, you want to join us? Okay, yung game na. Alright.
Hooray!
O, walang iiyak ha. Ipilit ha.
Game na ulit, game na. Amin natanggal na. Sir, salamat sa iyong partisipasyon. Hindi ko sa ganyan.
Basta surprise po yung prize namin.
Surprise na, surprise. Okay, game. One.
Hepe.
Hooray!
Hepe.
Hooray!
Hepe.
Hooray!
Hepe. Hurry.
Hehe!
Hooray! Hepe. Hooray! Hooray!
Agad, kuya ano? Oo nga, ay ayaw ng ano, ayaw ng surprise. Ulit.
Hepe.
Hooray!
Hepe.
Hooray! Hehe!
Hooray!
Hehe!
Hurry.
Hehe!
Hurry.
Hehe! Hooray!
Hepe.
Hooray!
Hepe.
Hooray! Hehe!
Hooray.
Hehe!
Kaya bawal magmura. Apat na sila, okay magkatapos tayo. Game. 1, 2, 3. Taas kamay ah.
Hooray! Hurry.
Taas na taas.
Hooray!
Hepe.
Hooray!
Hepe.
Hooray!
Hepe.
Hooray!
Hepe.
Hooray!
Hepe.
Hooray! Hooray!
Uraya pa hina ng kahina eh.
Sino bumata dito? Mananalo. Sino bumata dito? Oh, isa lang. Kita dito. Ay, ay mo daw. Magkano tayo dyan? Ay, dito. Aba! Okay, hahatian daw kayo pag nanalo. Ano? Game. 1.
Hepe. Hurry. Hepe. Hurry. 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 Hepe.
Pinapapagod yung host.
Hepe. 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 Hurry. 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 Hurry.
Tingin mo kasi kay
Hurry. Hepe. Hurry.
Okay, magkagaling na. Balik pa rin natin. Baliktad. Sige, ha? Okay, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. Okay, 1. Okay, 1. Naisip ko pa, ang dapat na kanina sabi niyo baliktad daw. Sino panalo na po? Ready ka na? Ready ka na sa prize mo? Ready ka na? Wait lang. Mga bata, may nanalo tayo ng Hepe Pure. Alam niyo ba anong prize niya? Palakpakan natin si Ate Ann! Palakpak! Music, please! Okay guys, ayun, doon na po nakatapos ang ating Hepe Pure. Sino pong gusto kumanta? Sino gutom na? Itaas yung paa. Bakit gusto mo nang mag-aral?
Jan Martin. M. Tulipas, kumpleto pa.
10 to
10 to 2 ang schedule mo na po. Excited ka na rin ba magtrabaho? Ano gusto mo paglaki? Doktor! Ako din, gusto ko din yan, kaso hindi kinaya ng, alam mo na, naumpa. Okay po, so now, we will now start the program. Hello everyone, good morning! Good morning mga bata! Excited na ba kayo to get your food and school supplies? Okay, before we start, we would like to give or acknowledge our president, Sir Ashua and Sir Kitagawa. So to start with, let's have a short message from Sir.
Nice to meet you. I'm Hiroshi Achiwa, President of Sumina Philippines. And today, total around 50 members, including Japanese visitor, coming from Japan, visit here. First, I'd like to express my sincere appreciation to give us opportunity to visit Lankara Elementary School and to communicate with the students, their teacher and the parents. Thank you very much. Today, we are bringing some stationery for you to support to learn more. Please study harder and realize your dream in the future. Also, be person to be able to contribute to society. We are thinking that all of you, youth and education are the most important. We are happy to support you. So, in close, I'd like to share with you a word of Dr. Jose Rizal, a national hero of the Philippines. The youth is the hope of our nation, where education reigns on lofty seat. Youth blossom forth with vigor and agility. So let me try to say in Tagalog, ang kabataan ay ang pag-asal kaya. Kung saan ang education ay naghahari sa mahayo na uwan. Ang kabataan ay nangulakla ng may sigla at tuwiksi. Thank you. That's all. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat.
Okay, at saka yung mga official na suminak. So, magandang magaling sa ating lahat, sa mga teachers, at sa lahat ng mga bata at mga magulang na nandito. Okay, so, ang Barangay Lakanon po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyo sa pagbibigay ng oportunidad na mapagkalooban ang mga gamit ko yan. Okay, so, ito po ay mga gamit ng ating mga bata para sa unang hakbang nila kung sa kinabukasan. Okay, so, kaya po sa mula sa amin, sa Pabnong Barangay Lakanon, so, isang maraming salamat po sa Sumina family. Mori po.
Mga visitors from Sumina, Philippines. Good morning po, Sir, Mr. President. Good morning po, Kapitan. Good morning po sa ating po mga parents sa kids. Good morning! Gusto ko mas malakas pa? Good morning! Ayan. So, nandito ang mga Sumina Philippines para bigyan kayo ng school supplies and breakfast. So, ano sasabihin niyo sa kanila? Sabihin nyo ay, salamat po, malakas. Di nga? Parang gutom na. Isa pa nga? Salamat po. Salamat po sa inyo. Maraming salamat kasi sinuportahan tayo ngayong taon ng Sumina Philippines para masuportahan yung inyong mga pangangailangan sa school supplies at syempre sa tulong ng ating mga taga-barangay, sa mga konsimal, kay Kapitan. Maraming salamat po. At maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat ng Sumina. Maraming salamat po, Mr. President. Thank you for supporting our learners. Thank you very much. At type
So, magbibigay muna po kami ng certificate.
Certificate of participation. Nobel Sara Dusa. In sincere appreciation of your invaluable support and leadership during the CSR school supply distribution and feeding program of Seminar to Philippines Incorporation held on June 14, 2025. Your dedication to environmental sustainability and community welfare has greatly contributed to the success of this initiative. Given this 14th of June 2025 in recognition of your outstanding service, participation. Markham First Elementary School. In sincere appreciation of your invaluable support and leadership during the CSR school supply distribution and feeding program of Seminar Philippines Incorporation held on June 14, 2025. Your dedication to environmental sustainability and community welfare has greatly contributed to the success of this initiative. Given this 14th of June 2025, in recognition of your outstanding service, Hiroshi Ashi.
Reserve the focal person and is Gabriel Valdez, school principal. We have on our principal is Gabriel Valdez. Thank you very much.
that sound. To all my members, subscribers too, this song's for you, yes it's true. Thank you for all that you do.